Hi guys, so it is the 1st of October. I just came back from the gym and I've seen a lot of YouTubers do the Vlogtober vlogs. So they vlog every day and they upload every day during October month. And I was thinking that it could be so much fun to do that as well. I'm not sure if I'll be able to last for the whole month, to be honest, because I'll be traveling and I won't have a lot of time for that, so I'm really not sure if that's gonna work, but I really want it to work because it is so exciting, and I think I'll have enough time to practice my vlogging skills because I'm really not good at that. So as I said, we just came back from the gym. It was a good workout. Then we had some orange juice, which was so amazing. It was so sweet. Like, I love when you get the orange juice, the fresh orange juice, and it's so sweet instead of very sour. So I came back home and I got some parcels. So I really want to see what's that. I think this is the what's it called, the organizer for my Neverfull, and the other one is probably my case for my laptop. So let's open them together and see what's inside. I'll probably need some scissors or a knife. Let me just go and get that quickly. Okay, so I got the scissors. I'm so excited. How do I open this? So we ordered this from the website AliExpress. It's similar to Alibaba, and my friend orders from there so much. Like, everything she sees on the internet she gets from there. Like, every advertising you see on the Instagram, that's all Alibaba or AliExpress. Yes, it's my case. So here it is. Okay, this is the protection for the screen, but I think I'm gonna give it to my husband because I'm gonna show you my laptop. So I got the MacBook Pro 13 inches. So this one won't fit because you see the little thing for the camera. It's there. But anyway, I won't be able to put it here because I've got this little thing for the camera. And this is the case. Oh, and it also comes with this little thing for the keyboard. So let me try and put it on top of the keyboard. Okay, I don't know if I really need this. This is what it looks like, but I feel like it will protect the keyboard from all the dust. Yeah, it's not bad. And here's the case. It's something my husband got for me, and it's like this blue marble, sort of. Oh, I'm so excited. I didn't have the case on my laptop, but what I did have is this thing. I found it really useful because I keep my cables inside. I keep this SSD passport, and then I've got some more cables that I need. Then I also usually keep there this thing that has different slots for USB, SD card. But now I can finally put on this case and not worry about my laptop getting scratched. Okay, so here's the bottom. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The middle part is actually see, I thought thought it was transparent, but no, it's a little hole. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is really pretty, and you know, it was only $3. No, I'm probably lying. I have to double check that, but it was not more than $10. Really cool. And moving on to the second thing that I received, which is the organizer. Hopefully it's an organizer. Okay. So this is an organizer. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. I got it in this beige color. And here is the another pocket that I can put inside in like the middle section. But if I don't want that in the middle, I can just remove it. But this one also has some additional pockets. It has like a big pocket here, then 3 little ones over here, and a zip pocket in here, which is really nice. It has this yellow gold hardware. Yeah. Okay, this is so cool. Let me put this middle part inside so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good to me. What do you think, guys? I got this for $10. And I honestly couldn't be happier because it looks pretty good. Let me see if it will fit into my Neverfull. I also got this strap, but it's so weird. I don't know where to put it. And also the weird thing is that the hardware on this thing is silver and here it's yellow gold. Like, it doesn't really make sense. And where should I put it? Oh, okay, I found it. I think I have to put it in here. That little part is also in silver, so I can just do that. Okay, so I think this one is for keys, or yeah, probably keys. Pretty cool. Let me get my Neverfull so you can see. Here's my baby. My hand cream. So here's the interior, and let's try and put it inside. Will it fit? I feel like this organizer is slightly bigger than the bag, or maybe no. No, it's all right actually. Okay, that looks pretty good. This is what it looks like now with the organizer. I also have this little pouch, so I'm gonna put it on the side. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like with an organizer. I think it looks pretty good, and the color really matches the interior of the bag, which is so amazing. Like, it won't be that visible at all. I wanted to get an organizer for this bag so it will hold its shape. It looks so much better now. It looks a little bit square with an organizer inside because it's quite wide, as I mentioned before, but I don't mind that. Like, look, it looks pretty good. It will keep the shape of the bag, which is really nice. So I'm super glad I got this organizer. It was so cheap, but now I won't have any mess inside my bag. And I've got so many pockets in here, it's crazy. Like, There are two on the outside of the organizer in here. Then there are three here. The big one, then another one, then the zip one, then another three ones, and at the bottom there is another two ones, and at the back there is another big one. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, yay, it looks good. Look at the shape. Like before, the shape of this bag was so bad. It didn't have any shape, honestly, after wearing it for a couple of months. But now, so much better. I'll put it back. Another thing I need an organizer for is the Nice BB that I got like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Because, as I mentioned on my video, it has this empty space, and I feel like I really need an organizer so everything is in place. I'm gonna go take a shower now, and then we'll see what we'll do. I'm not quite sure. We don't really have any plans for today. The work starts tomorrow, but today I really need to take some pictures for my Instagram, because I feel like I don't really take any pictures, and it really bothers me a little bit because I have nothing to post and I miss some of the days. Then I have to manage my calendar, and I have a donation pile in my car, which I have to bring to the donation center, and what else? And that's probably it for today. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. So guys, we just left home. We're actually at the garage picking up my husband's bike, and now I think we'll go and fix my car because there is an update, and yeah, I just want to do that. I was supposed to go there about 3 weeks ago probably, but I was super lazy because it's quite far. But I think today is the day, and I just have to go there and do this. My outfit is pretty much the same as yesterday, and I posted a couple of pictures on Instagram and even an Insta story, but I only changed the t-shirt, so I'm wearing this white top from Zara, and the rest of the outfit is the same. So I have my blue jeans, my how do you call them? Basically the loafers from Gucci, I forgot the name, and I've got my FENDI by the way back. The weather is so good today, and yesterday it's about 23 degrees, so it's really warm. I still get to wear a t-shirt, but I feel like it's like the last days of warm weather, because starting from tonight or 2 days from today, it's gonna start raining, like heavy raining, and the temperature will drop, so I'm just enjoying the last days of summer. So yeah, that's basically the plan for today. I don't think we'll do anything else tonight. I really don't know. My life is kind of boring, to be honest, but during this Vlogtober thing, I feel like I'm stealing the idea of the Vlogtober. Maybe I should just call them my October vlogs. I don't know how it's gonna go, and I don't really think I will vlog everything I do during the day, but I'll probably show you the main bits and pieces of my day and what I do. Maybe I'll like every day dedicate a video to a separate topic, like my makeup or what I eat in a day, that kind of stuff, so you get to know me a little bit better. And yeah, anyway, I gotta go. I need to call my garage if I can come now and leave my car there, and from that we'll see. I'm back home because I couldn't get the appointment today to do the update for my car, so I'm gonna go there tomorrow. Going home, I'm gonna change, and then we'll go with my husband on his bike. So exciting. I was always afraid of driving with him on a bike, but we went on a trip a couple of days ago, but just to take like a couple of photos of him with the bike. Oh my god, why am I so white? Anyway, I like this so much. It's so easy to drive on a bike in the city, so we'll do that. I'm gonna leave my camera because there is really no point in taking it with me, and now I'm so tired. What is wrong with you? So yeah, I'm gonna see you a bit later. I'll probably see you tonight. Hello guys. So we got some prints from IKEA yesterday, and yeah, I just want to put them in the frames and put them up on the wall because all of the walls in the apartment are so empty. Stop laughing at me. It's the worst. No, I'm gonna put this.
Dude, sure.
Yeah, I'm serious. You promised me not to laugh. I'm gonna put this. So yesterday we went to IKEA to get some prints for the apartment because the walls are so empty. We don't have anything except for my husband's room. He has a couple of pictures of us. So we got this print of a guy here. That was his choice. And I got this 3 prints that came together. So it's this one and this 2, but I'm thinking of putting only this 2. I don't really like that one in here. And we got some frames. So I got the 30 by 40, and I got a size larger for the banana, and the huge one is for the this one, the guy, what's it called? Yeah. Anyway, I want to do that. We got them because I wanted to try some wall art, and if it works, maybe I'll get some more of those. I don't know. But the ones in IKEA are very, very affordable, and they have quite a large variety of different prints that you can get. So yeah,
The thing about that is that it speaks to people.
yeah, something like this. This is so cute. I really like this one. I love that all the colors are pretty neutral and they will go with like the furniture that we have in this apartment. So I'm gonna quickly finish this up, put them all in the frames, and I'll show you the end result. So we put this guy on this wall